Actually, the monsoon was onset on 30th of June over Kerala, South Kerala. But after that, progress was for 1 week it was held up because the monsoon current was weak. Now again, monsoon current is reviving. So the monsoon has today further advanced in the most part of Kerala. So now the advancement has started, but it will take some more days to advance in the Goa, as the at present conditions are not very favorable for monsoon advancement. However, the rainfall activity will continue, and we are expecting light to moderate rain at many places for next 4 days, and that fifth day there will be most places rainfall, and heavy rainfall is also expected on fourth and fifth day. Means after 3-4 days, again that activity of pre-monsoon will be strengthened. Then pre-monsoon conditions now is improving. So if means this condition what we have been predicted will continue, then after 4-5 days there is chances of onset of monsoon. Actually, that monsoon moves in pulses. So after one pulse, again energy is required to move the second pulse. So in the first pulse up to 30th of May, it reached to the Kerala coast. After that, there was weakening of the monsoon current. Weakening of monsoon current is a global phenomenon. One of the feature which we feel is that cyclone formed in Bay of Bengal, Mora, may be one of the region that it has used a lot of energy of Hind Mahasagar. So the current become weak and advance was held up for 5-6 days. Now again that current is strengthening, and we expect that next few days again monsoon activity will be started.